Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, my friends. Today I'm going to talk about Bigben Interactive, and this is going to be a longer video. And as you have read in the thumbnail, I'm asking myself the question: is there more value in Bigben Interactive? Is there more value in the stock than it seems right now? So normally we would say, yeah, the market is always right. So Mr. Orange, look, the company is down. The company is not good, therefore it's down. So there are some really massive problems, Mr. Orange. So therefore the stock goes down, and maybe it goes to zero and it's dead and you lose all your money. So yeah, disclaimer, my friend. So I'm invested in Bigben Interactive since quite some time. I think since over a year or almost 2 years probably. And it's true, since then actually the price were again going down. I bought once, I bought a little bit more, but now I'm at the point where I start to think myself, is this like the European GameStop is actually in this company? I mean, it's a French company. Okay, I get this point, guys. I get this point. It's a French company. But is there more value in this? And I really want to understand. I really want to understand this. So therefore, in this video, in this video, I'm probably not giving you the final answer, but you can just join me to check some of the data we find, to look a bit what the company is doing, the links with NACON, all of this. So we do this in this video. So it's going to be a long video, and to be honest, guys, I don't care if anyone is going to watch this video, because I even assume that this video will get maybe 20 views for some of my my greatest viewers, but probably the YouTube algorithm is not going to take this forward. But hey, I do this also for myself, because I want to understand this company. So first, my friends, we have to look at the chart. So look at this chart. So I put this now on the max chart here. I think that's always the best start. So now you would say, yeah, from 2000 2005, the company was actually once at almost 50 euros. You have to imagine this, and then it went down to like also 250 euros, and then from 2005 to 2015 it went up to 8 euros. So, and then from 2015 we even had a high in the, let's say, in the bubble times, 631% from 2015 to 2021. So is this possible? Is it possible that we that we come back actually to those 14 euros, 15 euros, or even 6 euros? Because hey, going now from 225 to 6 euros, almost 300%, so pretty nice. So what are the first data we get here on the Google Finance? And I have a lot of other French pages, and I'm going to translate this for you because it's a French company and I speak French, where we get other data. Probably the data is going to be different between between this page and Google Finance and other pages. So always keep this in mind. So for me, sometimes it's very, very difficult to say, is this now really the data that counts? So therefore, I'm always taking this with a grain of salt, approximatively, and I recommend you guys to also do the same. So at the moment, market cap here on Google Finance, 41.85 million. So 42 million euros is the market cap. Keep this number in the back of your head. Now, PE ratio is here at 2. Oh my God, hey. What is this? 2. A PE ratio, price per earnings ratio of 2. I mean that's like Buffett cigarette. No, how did he call it? Yeah, Buffett deep value. So is this really deep value? Difficult to say. So founded in 1981, so company still exists, and it seems they have like over 1,300 employees. So income statement, let's have a look at the income statement on an annual basis, but then for 2004 we can also of course go here quickly to the quarterly basis. So hey, revenue 82 million. Remember, 42 million market cap. Net income in March 24, 6.28 million. 6.28 million market cap in 2024 in March. Then in December, we also had net income of 6.28. That's it's good to see. Yeah, and then before in March, June 23, in September 23, it was not so good. So if we then look at the annual basis, we have 14 million net income, where it's not a lot, guys. It's not a lot. It's 42 million market cap company right now, and a revenue of 292 million. And 23, we can have a look also at the quarterly. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Pretty much the same. Net income a bit lower, and revenue also a little bit lower. So, and also what I want in this video, my friends, what is really important for me. So I know some of you are really good when it comes to read income statements and all of this. So please write something in the commentary section. Write something. I want to discuss with you what you think about this company. So that's very important for me. Guys, I mean, look, in 21, 14, 15 million, then 14 million in 24, 22, 16 million. So it's not so bad when you look at the income statement. So, but here let's look here. Revenue from between 23 and 24 is up. Operating expense also up almost 20%. Net income 62% up. Net profit margin 57% up. EBITDA is down. Effective tax rate minus 4.14%. So yeah, they don't pay taxes obviously. And then 23 we had also everything in the green. Net profit margin 3.05, 4.8 in 2022, 2.86. And 21, from 21 to 22, this was the bad times. You see the numbers here. So, and then 21, 4.02 and 6.12. So the net profit margin is not very good. So it's not very good. But then you have to see what are they actually producing. So, and then the balance sheet. Let's go to the balance sheet, and there I already see something that I don't like. So, total liabilities 24 million. Let's put it like this. So in 23, 355 million. So the total liabilities went down actually from 23 to 24. In 2022, 317 million. So from 22 to 23, the total liabilities went up. From 21 to 2022, the total liabilities went also up massively in 158 million. So you see already, if we here look at the balance sheet, I don't like the total liabilities. I'm not now looking here at the price to book, return on assets, return on capital is also extremely low. And you see massively felt in 24. Cash and short-term investments. Cash and short-term investments went down, and they only went up between 20 and 21, and since 21 then up to 24 going down. So cash flow, net income 14 million, net change in cash. So here you see cash flow, net change in cash. Here we see it. So that's good to see the number. So what I just explained to you. So Google Finance is actually not so bad. Yeah, net income, my friends. Net income going up, and was in 21. It was went down in 21 and 22. It was the highest. Free cash flow minus 13, minus 4, minus 31, minus 19, and we are now at minus 10. So what we see, their liabilities, they have a problem with the cash flow, and this is all like something happened there. It was NACON. What happened was NACON. So who is NACON? So here again, coming a bit to the information, who is NACON? So this is NACON. NACON, formerly Bigben Interactive. So NACON is actually the gaming part of Bigben Interactive. It's a French video game company based in Lesquin. It designs and distributes gaming accessories, publishes and distributes video games for various platforms. So in 2020, Bigben Group was consolidated from NACON. Wow, guys, that's so complicated. So therefore the question is, then basically, is NACON now the company? Is NACON now the real company? And Bigben is not the real company anymore. But when I look here, I see a NACON that Bigben holds 76.7% of NACON. So NACON is the popular company. So they took it out. So for what reason they took it out? It's always very difficult to say. Very often it's some financial optimization. 430 employees in 2020. So Bigben is the big shareholder of NACON, and therefore I assume so, but I can be totally wrong. I assume so. So, but then hey, let's invest in Bigben Interactive. I mean, they are holding NACON. They are holding NACON with over 75%. They have a market cap of 42 million. And then I look at NACON. They have a market cap here on Google Finance of 121 million. P/E ratio of 32. That's already way higher than 2, obviously. And if we look here at the income statement, from 23 to 24, revenue up, net income up. Net income up, 21 the highest, and then also 2020 was high. So net profit margin is here 11, 12, 10, let's say 6, 8, and 10. So that's a good net profit margin for a gaming company. So if we look at the balance sheet again, total liabilities 215 million. So it means that's where the problem starts. That's where the problem starts, in my opinion. So, and then by the way, NACON was also giving out some shares, right, just recently, for the price of €1.10. So total liabilities 250. Total liability 317. So we have almost $500 million total liabilities with those two companies together, and they only have a market cap of 41 and a market cap of 160 million market cap and liabilities over 500 million. So guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional when it comes to finances. So tell me, please, where am I wrong here? What do I not see, or what do I see wrong here? So that's I really want to understand this. I mean, you can read books and everything, but it's interesting how those numbers add up. So cash flow, we see also cash flow negative since 2020. The cash flow is negative. 21 cash flow negative. Net income net income went up a little bit, but it's negative, and also free cash flow, it's negative. So it seems they are running out of money. So drinking some alcohol-free beer. So it seems they are running out of money. So yes, inflation is high, or inflation is still high. Interest rates are still high. So how would NACON, for example, so NACON started here. So I remember I had Bigben here. I had Bigben, and then Bigben was giving me those NACON shares, and I was like, wow, look at this. From 544, they went up to almost 8. And since then they were just falling, and I bought a little bit more. But my part of NACON share was very low, and I was just recently for €1.10. I was participating when they were giving out more shares. So hey, guys, this is just what I do. Please don't do anything I talk about. You don't even buy those stocks. Please don't do it. So. Are we consolidating at 110? I mean, they give the shares out for 110. So then I assume that actually they know what they are doing. So that then the price of NACON would be 110. Now we're at 180. So also since yeah. So here this was the message. So we giving out shares for 110, and it went up like crazy. You had a little short squeeze, most probably. And since then we consolidated, but there's still a chance that we consolidate and go actually higher. So I start liking this chart. But it's a very difficult one. So let's go back to Bigben, because the question was, is Bigben the company that we wanna that might be interesting to buy, because they have 75% of NACON. So this is like the mother company, and probably, I mean, big investors in France, they know Bigben. Of course, they would know Bigben. So the retail investor, they might like, wow, what is Bigben? I don't know Bigben, but it's not a retail stock. So this is obviously a big investor stock, and you can see it. So it's the big investors that are selling. Oh la la, mon dieu. All right, guys. So let's go quickly to the Bigben group page. I think that's very important. So we can look at their business, what they say, what they're actually doing, because now you're asking me, so Mr. Orange, you talk so much about Bigben, about the stock, about the numbers, but hey, we have to find out what they are doing. So leader in digital entertainment industry. Yeah, well, the Bigben Group applies its know-how through the synergy of strategic activities, gaming, mobile phones and audio, creator and distributor of a rich and varied catalog. So the games, successful and long-lasting European base. Group recognized for its innovation and creativity now aims to become one of the worldwide leaders in each of its markets. Well, I mean, how is this working out for you guys? Bigben, integral part of the world's video game landscape with significant experience as game distributor, gaming accessory manufacturer. The group has naturally committed itself with the goal of establishing itself as one of the blah 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 video game publishing department, expanding. So here they say 9 development studios in France, Canada, Belgium, Italy, 360 developers. So between 2018 and 19, Bigben and now its subsidiary NACON invest in re-owned development structures selected for their creative expertise. Kiloton Racing, Cyanide Studio, Echo Software, and Raceward. So probably I've never heard about them. And took also participation in the capital of the Italian studio Luna Great Wall Studios, Racewards. And then in 2020, NACON acquired 100% of NeoPika. So something is going on there. By acquiring the status of publisher-developer, NACON manages to create its own identity in the AA, so that's important. We're not in the indie and we're not in the AAA. The AA video game segment, addressing a wide, diverse international market. This long-established strategy is continuing to prove its worth. In just a few years, NACON has tripled the number of titles it releases. So yeah, creating a back catalog, that's always important. Conceptor. So Bigben has built up extensive knowledge of its sector and has always been able to recognize sale opportunities. At the right time. From 1990s onwards, the company has always launched its own accessories, quickly becoming a European leader in gaming and the mobile accessories. More than 40 engineers, designers, and product managers, more than 440 brands and models and patents. So, for more than 15 years, Bigben's strategic subsidiary in Hong Kong has been providing support to the group's research and development teams in overseas product manufacturing. So that's where they produce it, in China. Distribution, fully integrated professional Bigben's logistics, network. So yeah, and then 400 client distributors. So that's decent information. So corporate identity, there we see those different companies. Here in France, you have those studios. So are they still all of them exist? So that's a good question. Then in Spain, so they're mostly in France and in Spain. So in Lescan, go look here. That's actually interesting. So that's close to the Belgian border. And then Bigben Interactive Netherlands, Bigben Interactive Belgium in Waterloo, and Ghent NeoPika. Bigben Interactive GmbH in Germany in Bergheim. And Italia and Connected Polska in Poland. And then Hong Kong, Melbourne, Montreal. So, okay, guys. Okay, what do we see? So Bigben has implemented strategy of logistics and marketing cooperation in the development of its distribution network. So that's a sales network and implementation. So mostly a European company with the US, with Hong Kong, and they have a worldwide sales network, as it seems. Talking about director, so it's still, the chairman is still Alain Falk.
So yeah, date of first appointment in 88. Oh my god, in December 88. So he is really long, since long time there. So he's like the big boss. A Chief Executive Officer, Bigben Interactive. Composition of the Bigben Interactive Management Board. So yeah, well, those are nice people probably. So everything is good there. Our story. So entered. Yeah, here. Let's read a bit on the story here. So Bigben, currently group close to 750 employees, headquarters is based in Lescun, north of France, initially focused on supplying electronic items. It then diversified into multimedia and video games. It did so with success, as for then on, its popularity went beyond French borders. At the origins of this rise in 1981, Alain Falk got into supply and then manufacturing of electronic products. He very quickly anticipated technological progress in the booming video game sector, having become, I can also make it actually a bit bigger, my friend, so why wouldn't I do this? Having become the French leader in the market of accessories for video game consoles at the start of millennium, the group began its international development by buying up several publishers and distributors in England and Benelux countries and creating an affiliate in Germany and a design office in Hong Kong. This expansion abroad continues with the opening of 3 new affiliates in Italy, Spain, and the US. Entered onto the Paris Stock Exchange in 1999, Bigben Interactive initiates its diversification strategy by adding the distribution and publishing of video games to its businesses, which allowed it to establish itself among the major publishers. In 2011, Bigben Interactive also bought the branch of Parisian company Mode Lab, specialized in accessories for mobiles, so protective cases. So they just make cases, yeah. This was a fruitful strategy, as accessories for smartphones now stand Bigben connected and currently a dynamic sector for Bigben Interactive and a showcase for its partnership with the biggest brands. So in 2016, the group established a prestigious partnership with Sony Entertainment, yeah, name dropping here, for the marketing of its accessories on the NACON brand, including its Revolution Pro controllers on the PS4 license. And in 2018-19, the group acquired 4 major development studios: Cyanide, Kiloton, Echo Software, Spiders, and took stake in a 5th Italian studio, Luna Great Wall Studio. On October 31, the Bigben Group approved the partial contribution of assets from its gaming branch, grouping games and accessories into a NACON subsidiary, which went public. So why did they do this? So now, for this, to really understand why they did this, I mean, I think they really wanted to create some value, so therefore they did this. That's why those companies do it. So I have to go and read the document. So, February 2020, NACON acquired RIG, famous American gaming headset brand, well known worldwide. Never heard about them. Guys, don't forget, I'm invested in this stock, but I'm honest with myself sometimes, so that's very important. Key dates: creation, spin-off gaming branch 2019, and an IPO of NACON company. So that's when I got actually some stocks in 2020. So here, yeah, well, that's a lot of information here. Start of 5G deployment in Europe, wider deployment of that, blah 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 blah. So it's not really, that's not so helpful. So okay, and then environment, things that I personally, it's not part of my investment decision. That's NACON, guys, since 1990. €1.18. They sold me stocks now for 110, so most probably the price goes now to €1. And Bigben still holding up. So phew. Let's click here on Bigben. Do we have a Bigben? No, we don't see Bigben here. Let's check out the NACON website. So this is now in German. Okay. Man, I hate cookies, guys. I hate cookies. So this is now in German, but it doesn't matter. So this is the Revolution 5 Pro controller. Looks pretty nice. I haven't played yet with such a controller, and they have some other hardware. So NACON actually makes also some very nice hardware. So I definitely like the hardware, but I think I am going to have to buy myself one of their hardware. So they're also sponsoring NACON also sponsors here some influencers, some esports there. That's cool. That's cool, guys. And those are the games. Those are the games they're working on. Those are the new games. So Robocop was actually pretty successful for a AA game, and Test Drive Unlimited. There's a lot of hope on this game as well. So looking for the games. This is all the games. I clicked on the games. Here. So racing, action, adventure, sports, and simulation. So Taxi Life, Session, Blood Bowl 3, and the Tour de France game. So then let's look at the corporate. Corporate is done, of course. Yes, NACON. Yeah, here the investment area. So presentation of NACON. Okay. So if you want to invest in a Bigben, then you also have to read actually all the documents now for 2 companies. So if you want to find out if there is some value, you're going to have to read it for 2 companies. So that's a problem, I think. That's a problem of too much information, and that you have to. What's that? That's the market cap. That you have to read now so much for 2 companies. So financial information, here we go. So financial results, first quarter, 38.5 million. Now let's go back. Let's go back here. Let's see if we have some information here. First quarter, 49. This is the first quarter. Guys, when is always the first quarter starting? That's the first quarter in March, I think. So, and what are they telling us? 38? 49. What's the 38 now? Million confirmation of guidance. No, that's a confirmation of guidance. First half, 70 million. So you see, it's already getting so difficult with those numbers. So it's really annoying me sometimes actually with Google Finance and with those earnings. Interim financial report 6 months, sales up 43%, fourth quarter. So yeah, of course. I mean, they just say everything is good. Here they just tell us everything is good. So, well, number of shares and voting rights. Yeah, this goes no up. Number of shares goes. So you see, shares are slowly always going up a little bit. So here we go. Always going up the shares. So just another 2 million. So it's probably people that are working in this company might get some of those shares. So yeah, Bigben. So here's actually the press release of the latest numbers. So we can also compare this actually what we see here. So here we go. Strong earnings growth, they say. Sales 295. And what did I say here? 292, 95. Okay. It's closer. It's closer. 4.1% up. Sales up. Adjustment for the partial disposal of Gollum. Oh my god, Gollum. Yeah, you know Gollum. Gollum was a game by Bigben, by NACON. Very sad. People didn't like this game. Gross profit, EBITDA, operating income 23, pre-tax income 21. That's all in million. Net income for the period. So this is from the 3rd of June. I forgot to say this is from the 3rd of June for for the whole year. I think, is it for the whole year? Yes, annual. So what are they telling us? Bigben Group performed very well in 2023-24 with a sharp increase in earnings. Full year sales amounted to 295. NACON sales total 270 million, up 9.4% year on year, while Bigben audio video telco business achieved sales of 124 million. So you get now NACON and this other business. So that's what I like actually. Gross margin was boosted by higher volumes and an improvement in the product mix, rising by 4 points too. EBITDA grew as well. Net income was 21 million, equal to 7.2% of sales, as opposed to 30 million and 4.6% sales the year before. So it's better. It's getting better. NACON Gaming increased its sales by 9.4%. During the year, catalog sales new games were boosted by a heavy release schedule consisting of 19 games, including the highly successful Robocop Rogue City. Catalog sales amounted to 59.3 million, up 21% relative to the year before. The back catalog games released in previous years performed very well, with sales rising 2.4%. The accessories business generated sales of 62.7 million and returned to growth. That's good to see, actually. Returned to growth in the second half of the year, driven by an increase in the installed base of new consoles and new product releases. So that's the rig, that's the headset, and Revolution is the PlayStation controller. Gross margin was 62%, increase of 3 points. EBITDA rose by 45%. Operating income rose 20.5% to 29 million. Now we're talking about NACON Gaming. The increase in net financial expense was due to higher interest rates. Exchange difference remained stable. So Bigben, so audio business, so audio telco business, sales of 124 million, down 2.5%. Operating income up. Smartphone market that continued to contract significantly. The mobile accessories business performed well with sales of 95 million for cases. Wow. Okay, that's massive actually, to see that those cases sales are good. Guys. What do we see here? What do we see here? Improved financial position reflecting heavy investment in the gaming business. So 31st of March, Bigben Group had 327 million of equity and 41.2 million of cash and cash equivalent. Its net debt amounted to 154 million at the end of the year, as opposed to 163 million at 30 September. So it's getting better with the net. It's getting better with the debt. With funds from operations rising in both business segments up to 27 million. Cash flow from operating activities totaled 79.7 million as opposed to 43.9 million. So this is also getting better. So what is the outlook? Continuing growth though, 24-25. NACON will have a busy release schedule in 24-25 with around 15 games due to be released during the year, including Test Drive, Test Drive Unlimited, Tour de France 24, Tiebreak, Ravenswatch. Oh, early access, they sold already 500,000. Rugby 24, Endurance, along with Greedfall 2 and Terminator Survivors. And guys, I'm looking forward to Terminator Survivors. I think that's the most important game that they're going to make. The back catalog will automatically benefit from the large number of games released in 23-24, including Robocop. Okay. In accessories, NACON will continue to reap the rewards of successful product launches in 23, including the rig, headset, and the Revolution controller. The main development in 24 and 25 will be the group's initiative to bring together its games and accessories activities in the racing market, along with its new ambitions in this area. So what are they going to make now? Creation of the dedicated NACON racing department and the Revuzim by NACON brand, building on 10 years of expertise in this market. So for one moment, I thought actually they're going to create another company and give me some more shares of another penny stock. So launches of new premium products. Oh, sorry guys, I'm drinking something. Launches of new premium products, Revosim steering wheel and RIG 900 headset. New licenses currently being negotiated. This will make NACON the only company in the world to offer a comprehensive range of games and accessories for motor racing fans. So what are they going to do with the mobile phone cases? So, benefit, blah, blah, blah. Mobile accessories, Bigben has several advantages in a contracting market. A comprehensive premium product range with its Force brand, chargers, wireless, earphones, screen, protectors, straps, and speakers. Force brand. So did I hear about this? Did you hear about the Force brand? Allowing it to address all the needs of smartphone users. A presence in adjacent markets with new products such as the surge protection power strip. An antibacterial cleaning spray will also be launched. Okay. Diversification in terms of sales channels with the aim of I don't understand how they can make so much money with the telco department, but hey, it's part of Bigben, and I like this. Bigben will also benefit from new trends in the smartphone market, with consumers increasingly buying accessories as they keep their mobile phones for longer. It's true. Just bought a new mobile phone. I plan to keep this for some years. Night lights for children. The high bunny, so that's cool. More than 1,600 points of sale. So group is therefore confident that it can continue its development, growing sales and increasing operating income. So, yeah, guys, I mean, you have to. You have to create value. So let's go back to the stock price. Guys, this is the stock price of the company. So everything, you say everything is good, but the stock price is down. So, guys, I really don't know what to make out of this. This is a very difficult one. All right, and then I decided now to show you actually some games on Steam that we see how are those games actually well rated. So it's a decent back catalog. This is a decent back catalog. There are also a lot of DLCs, of course, but it's a decent back catalog. So, and I see thumbs up. And I like seeing some thumbs. So NACON Adventure Bundle, for example, we can have a look at the NACON Adventure Bundle. So there we have like Clash, Artifacts, Warhammer Chaos Bane. Do I have this? Yeah, I have this game. I played this. I like this game actually. This was good. Styx, Master of Shadows, Styx, Shards of Darkness, Outcast, Second Contact, and Gangs of Sherwood. Mixed reviews. Chaos Bane, mixed reviews. So it's a double A. It's a double A company, that's for sure. So we have also the NACON Sports bundle. I think those mixed for the volleyball game, mixed for the handball game, the tennis game mixed, street power football mixed, rugby is mostly positive, and the Tour de France game is very positive. So people like the Tour de France game. So if you go here and check it out, very positively rated. Even 63 people played right now. It's not massively successful, probably. If you can look at the Cyanide, so they make those sports games. So let's go back here. Here we go. So Session, very positive. Over 11,000 reviews. Robocop, 8,768 reviews, and I don't own this game yet, but I really want to own it because I think this game could be cool. Test Drive Unlimited coming out. We can check some numbers here. So 53,000 followers, my friends. So KT Racing. They make the WRC games. They're okay. They make them every year. So there is some sort of a cash flow. There. I wouldn't say they are the best games, so but there is some sort of cash flow, and people looking forward to Test Drive Unlimited. So sorry for making it so quickly. Then we have Crown Wars. It's turn-based strategy, mixed reviews. Then Vampire the Masquerade Swansong, mixed reviews. Terminator Survivors and Greedfall. So those, and then Steel Rising, a game that came out, and that stands now at mostly positive. My friend. So let's close here pages. So also here. So Terminator Survivor. So this is a game that I wanna play. I mean, if they really manage to pull this game, Terminator Survivors, to make this a good game, if they manage this, guys, I mean, this is going to be amazing. I mean, look at this. So we can watch this trailer. Just let's take the time to watch this trailer here. No sound, but I like beer. We don't see gameplay here, but this alone makes me happy. Ooh, just seeing this alone, my friends, makes someone like me happy, because I'm a big fan of Terminator. So that's so cool. I want to play this game. Almost 13,000 followers. 2 months. It's coming out. can also look at the discussion. What are people saying? So early Terminator model single T800 confirmed. Please don't make this online only. No gameplay, but 24th of October, 4 months away. Yeah, people are critical. Just remember, we got out there 2-day-old coyote. Where's the marketing? They have no money for the marketing. Maybe Mr. Orange has to make a video about this on my gaming channel. So, and then, and then we can look at Greedfall 2 and almost 17,000, and it has this super cool art style. Again, super cool art style. Of course, it has a how all the new characters look like. It's always the person of color, female, is the main character or something like this. So they don't make games anymore with guys as main characters. So those times are over. Those times are over. But also Greedfall 2, the dying world. This looks cool. I want to play this game. Wow, look at this. This looks fantastic. So it's very, very cool. I want to play this game, guys. So Spiders, they made the first Greedfall. And if we look at the first Greedfall, mostly positive with almost 16,000 reviews. Yeah, this was Focus Entertainment, so they don't own the rights, the publisher rights on the first Greedfall. But here, 7 years, you can get it now. So maybe I should get it. I mean, I'm also invested in Focus Entertainment, so at one point I decided to invest in all those European gaming companies. So I don't know, might turn out as a mistake or not. So we will see. Yeah, tomorrow, my friends, I'm going to make a portfolio update video. Sea Rising, also by NACON. Mixed reviews, mostly positive, to 2,500. So people like those games. I mean, some people don't like them, but they also don't like Call of Duty games, and they are the most expensive games. So, guys, you have to tell me what I'm not seeing here. I mean, I understand that the debt went actually down, and there are liabilities. And with NACON, they have accessories and they have games. That's pretty cool. And then they have this case, mobile phone case company as well. So, is there something that I don't see? Is there something that I don't see? I mean, then this could be actually really a company that has value. This has value. Is this a company with more value? So, or are we going bankrupt? Are we going to zero? I have no idea. So if you expected now here to get clear answers from me, so I told you at the beginning of this video, I'm not giving those clear answers. So I'm invested a little bit in Bigben, but I'm at this point where I think like I could actually. I mean, is this actually is this little gem where the turnaround comes, and then you can make good money, really good money. So is this the moment and with this company? I mean, on the other hand, since 22, 21, if you would have bought there, 88% down, you were just losing your money. So don't invest too much. So I told myself, buy a little bit. I told myself. Then I bought a bit more. So now I average down decently. So I think I'm around by 4 years or something, 440. So, but shall I average down again a little bit? Or shall I really make even a huge investment? So, hey, I don't know, guys. So, and of course, no recommendations from my side for you. And please make your own due diligence, your own research, not a financial advisor. But I thought like it is important to cover this company together with NACON. So it was in the back of my head since very long time. And I thought like, so I want to understand what's going on there. I want to understand what's going on. Oh my God, I almost forgot. So here are some, almost forgot. So, oh my God. So yeah, let's make this video even longer. So almost forgot. So here are some French finance pages that I found. So Zone Bourse. So look at this. So here they have the chart here. So that's for trading. So with SMAs, 200, 100, etc. And here even here they say 213, then 265. So resistance support lines. So is this something people want to trade? Difficult to say. Difficult to say, my friends. So also here's some news, but that's from June. Invest Securities optimiste sur le dossier. So Invest Securities re-evaluates, but prefers naked. So, but let's see. Okay. Looked like it was open this now. No, it's not open. Yeah, that's always a problem. So, here we are. So, yeah, I'm translating just for you. So, Invest Securities was elevating their target for the price to from 450 to from 450 to 580 euros, and they are recommending to buy it after the publication of the results here in June. So they say the results that they are able to reduce their very strong under evaluation, especially when the test drive is going to be a success. So son opinion est plus nuancée sur Bigben du fait de sa structure financière hors NACON. Okay, that's what you think about NACON. So they prefer NACON over Bigben. So his opinion is a bit more nuanced with regards to Bigben due to the financial structure without NACON and the activities audio, video, telco, and the limited potential there. So, très clairement, NACON à Bigben. Cet dernier offrant un potentiel de révalorisation plus limité et un risque sur son refinancement en février. Ooh, here we get some information. So maybe that's something I didn't see. So here people say, yeah, NACON is better, but NACON, I mean, and the Bigben has 75% owns, Bigben owns 75% of NACON. Then they have this audio telco business. And then there's some issue with refinancing in 26. Is this maybe the reason why no one wants to buy this stock? Here they say it can rebound. So plus progressivement, so progressively it comes in the situation of a rebound. ABC Bourse. So critères Bézière and Osier. So yeah, well, that's just some of those data. Consensus here, 4.53 years. I mean, that's already a potential of over 100%. So over 100% again. Well, boursier.com, another French page. So I thought like I'm checking the French pages here. Chiffre d'affaires here with expectation provisions going up to 27. So price earnings ratio 2.65, 2.56, and 1.73. Yeah, I don't believe this. So then they give this game a not. So and then they say 1.2, and 1.2 is buying and 5 is selling. They're like, wow, guys, there's 95% potential. So, but that's probably all. I don't know. Does this page now know the problem with the refinancing? Where do I get more information about this refinancing? Really interested now. Then we can look at TradingView, for example. Ratio price gains 3.09. Now, was this correct actually? So yeah, a free float of 64%. That's already good. So then we the debt. That's the debt, 209 million. But that's the debt, 209 million. So the valeur d'entreprise 313, and the market cap is now 42 million. Capitalisation boursière 41, and valeur d'entreprise is 313. I mean, this like screams, wow, guys, this is actually totally undervalued. This is totally undervalued. Juste valeur de l'action. So what is the just value? What is the just value? What is the just value? Yeah. Ratio 3.01, PE ratio, and ratio price PS. Yeah, it's extremely low. So ratio here you see the ratio. Okay, some information more about the valuation. Yeah. How they calculate this. A high PS or PE ratio means that investors are paying a premium for the stock, which could imply high growth expectation or low risk. A low PS and PE ratio means that investors are paying a discount for the stock, which could imply low growth and expectation or high risks. However, PS and PE ratios are not perfect indicators, blah, blah, blah. So you know this. So growth and rentability. Revenue, net revenue, and revenue. And then net margin going up since 21. Conversion des recettes en bénéfices. Difficult to read. So money comes from gaming and from mobile and from audio. And from when we look at the countries, mostly it comes from France. That's interesting. North America, 21%. British Isles, so probably that's it's not that people on the British Isles buy something, so don't worry. So it's actually where the companies are located. So, exactitude des prévisions et des estimations en matière de recettes et de bénéfices, the revenue. So, surprise. So, 23, actual 293, estimation was 294, miss. Then in 22, it was a miss 2.27 million. In 21, it was not a miss. It was a beat. And in 20, it was a miss. So probably they are going to miss. I mean, it's more logical when you follow this. Benefits. What do they mean with benefits? Estimate earnings. Okay, estimate earnings, benefits. Why is this in French here? Yeah. Per share, benefits per share. So estimations, 70 cents. At 23, it was a beat. In 22, it was a miss. In 21, a beat. It's possible that it's going to be a beat or the same. No dividend. So stop paying dividend. Because they have huge debt. They stop paying dividend. Santé financière. Niveau et couverture de la dette. So that's important now. So the debt is, wow, look how since 2020 it just went up. Free cash flow. And the free cash flow went a little bit up. Liquidity and equivalent went down. So liquidity went down. Free cash flow since 21 goes up again. And the debt is just rising. Analyse de la situation financière long terme. So active and passive. Court term, active, passive. So active is now good. Is active is now the good one. There, did I read this again here correctly? The balance sheet can also be used to calculate ratios that reflect the liquidity, solvency, and efficiency of a company. Okay. Whew, guys, so here, ABC Bourse again. We can go there again. I get here a note of 8 out of 20, so that's pretty bad. So same. Dividend. There was no dividend. Okay, yeah. Okay. I don't see any new information here. So here we get the numbers a little bit better. So, all right, guys. This was a long video. So if you were watching the whole video, then please give me a like and write something in the commentary section. If you're new to my channel, if you like those long videos, or if you're old at my channel, so if you're already here since a longer time and you like those really long discussions about some stocks, where I go much deeper and I ask myself those questions and I give you the reflections, the food for thought, then please also write this in the commentary section. So I enjoyed this a lot. It was a nice evening for me to share my evening, my thoughts, my reflections, my ideas with you. So I don't know. Bigben, I don't know. In the end, maybe it's even NACON is better. So I don't know at the moment. So I'm very, very reluctant here. But and then they go to 4 years, and then I tell myself, so bang, you knew it, my friend. Mr. Orange, you knew it. Guys, very difficult. So what's your opinion? Write it in the commentary section. Help me. You help me now. So I can't help you guys, but you help me. So yeah, is this the GameStop? Is this the European GameStop? Very good question. All right. See you next time. Bye bye.